How to become a certified fraud examiner. Let's get started. The crime fraud exception to attorney-client privilege applies when: is it A, communications are used to commit or further a crime or fraud? Or B, the client is innocent? Could it be C, the attorney is not involved? Or lastly D, only civil cases are involved? The correct answer is A. Here is why. The privilege is designed to protect legal advice, not to shield ongoing criminal activity. If the client seeks legal advice to further a crime or fraud, those communications are not protected. Option B is irrelevant. If the communication is for a crime, privilege is lost regardless of overall innocence. Option C is false. The attorney's involvement is typically part of the communication. Option D is false. The exception applies in both civil and criminal contexts. Next question. In financial statement fraud, big bath accounting involves: is it A, taking large write-offs in one period to clean up the balance sheet? Or B, gradually recognizing expenses? Could it be C, inflating current assets? Or lastly D, deferring revenue? The correct answer is A. Here is why. Big bath occurs when a company, often under new management or during a bad year, takes excessive write-downs and charges. This makes current results look terrible but artificially inflates future earnings by reducing future expenses, e.g., lower depreciation. Option B describes income smoothing. Option C is asset overstatement. Option D is a method to manipulate revenue timing. Next question. Which is not a typical red flag of expense reimbursement fraud? Is it A, duplicate submissions? Or B, missing receipts for high-value items? Could it be C, consistent use of company credit card? Or lastly D, round dollar amounts? The correct answer is C. Here is why. Consistent use of a company-issued credit card is a control mechanism, not a red flag, as it provides a clear audit trail. Options A, B, and D are classic red flags. Duplicates indicate double-dipping, missing receipts suggest fabricated expenses, and round dollar amounts, e.g., $100, $500, are less common for legitimate business expenses and may indicate estimated or fabricated claims. Next question. Under Dodd-Frank Act whistleblower provisions, eligible awards are: is it A, 10 to 30% of sanctions over $1 million? Or B, fixed $100,000 amounts? Could it be C, only for internal reports? Or lastly D, limited to SEC employees? The correct answer is A. Here is why. The SEC whistleblower program can award eligible individuals who provide original information leading to successful SEC enforcement actions with monetary sanctions over $1 million. The award range is 10 to 30% of the money collected. Option B is incorrect. Awards are percentage-based. Option C is false. Awards are for reports to the SEC. Option D is false. Awards are for the public. Next question. In an admission-seeking interview, the interviewer should first: is it A, establish rationalization? Or B, present overwhelming evidence? Could it be C, obtain a verbal admission of wrongdoing? Or lastly D, ask for a full confession? The correct answer is C. Here is why. The interview process typically builds toward an admission. The first goal is to secure a verbal admission, which is psychologically easier for the subject than immediately signing a written confession. Once verbal admission is obtained, the examiner can then guide the subject to document it. Option A is a technique used during the interview to reduce resistance, not the first step. Option B is a tactic that may be used later. Option D is the ultimate goal, not the first step. Next question. The U.S. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, primarily protects: is it A, patient health information from unauthorized disclosure? Or B, financial records in healthcare? Could it be C, employee personnel files? Or lastly, D, corporate trade secrets? The correct answer is A. Here is why. HIPAA's privacy rule establishes national standards to protect individuals' medical records and other personal health information, protected health information or PHI. Option B is regulated by other laws. Option C is generally covered by employment law. Option D is covered by trade secret law. That's it for today. How many did you score? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe and tell me what topic I should cover next. Bye.